We want to plot the graph for the recurrence relations below. So the first one is Tn plus 1 is 0.5 Tn with T1 equal to 16. So we know that T1 is 16. T2 will be 0.5 times 16, so that's going to be 8. T3 is going to be half of that again, which is 4. T4 will be 2. T5 will then be 1. And T6 will be 0.5. So this is the term number along here. So it's labelled as x, but that will be the term number. And the actual value of the term will be vertical. So T1 is 16. T2 is 8. T3 is 4. T4 is 2. T5 is 1 and T6 is 0.5. Now really this is how you should draw this. You do see people putting curves or lines through these, but those are meaningless. If I put a curve through this, at least let's just put it through there, there is no term 1.5. So in actual fact this is actually meaningless. So really we should just put dots, but you do see people putting lines through them, so just be aware of that. And really you should leave it like that. Now in the second one we've got Tn plus 1 is Tn plus 3, starting with T1 is negative 2. So T1 is negative 2. To get to T2 we're going to add 3. So that's going to give us 1. T3 then is going to be 4. T4 will be 7. T5 will be 10. And T6 will be 13. So term 1 is negative 2. Term 2 is 1. Term 3 is 4. Term 4 is 7. Term 5 is 10. And term 6 is 13. Once again, you will see lines through these occasionally, but there shouldn't be. It should just be the dots. Now note, we know from this form that this was geometric. We know from this form that this one is arithmetic. Note how geometric has given us an exponential shape, but the arithmetic gives us a straight line. Now we have Tn plus 1 is Tn minus 2, so to get to the next term we're going to take 2 off the current term, and T1 is 16, so T2 is going to be, I'm going to tidy that up, it's not very nice. So T1 is 16, T2 is going to be 14, we take 2 off to get to the next term. Then we'll have 12, and then T4 would be 10, T5 will be 8, and T6 will be 6. So T1 is 16, T2 is 14, T3 is 12, T4 is 10, T5 is 8, and T6 is 6. Once again, we can see that this relation gives us an arithmetic sequence, and we've got a straight line. This one will be geometric, and we're just doubling to get the next one. So the first one we're told is 1, and then we're doubling. So we're going to get 2. This one's going to be 4, 8, 16, and T6 will be 32. So we're not going to be able to plot it on here, T6. So T1 is 1, and we're getting 2, and we're getting 4, and we're getting 8, then we're getting 16, and the next one will be way off the top, up here somewhere. And note once again we've got this exponential curve.